Today, we're exploring fundamental concepts of light. Light is fascinating and essential in our daily lives. Light travels in straight lines. This is evident in a pinhole camera, where it forms clear images. The speed of light is fastest in a vacuum or air, but slows down in denser mediums. Reflection occurs when light bounces back within the same medium. This allows us to see mirrors and reflections. Curved mirrors can focus or diverge light, creating different visual effects. Refraction bends light as it moves from one medium to another. This bending is crucial in lenses and microscopes. Total internal reflection happens when light reflects instead of refracting from denser to rarer mediums, like in mirages. Dispersion splits white light into its colors. This is visible through prisms and seen naturally in rainbows. Each color bends at a different angle, creating a spectrum. Scattering occurs when light is redirected by dust or water vapor. This influences phenomena like the color changes of the sun. It also explains why red is used in signaling danger, as it scatters less.